Hello y'all, it is Katie and I'm back with another video. Today we are glowing up for spring break. Everyone knows it's spring break season. I feel like March, early April is the time when all people go on spring break. I'm going with a ton of my friends to Punta Cana for I think 4 days and I'm so excited. I've never been to the Dominican Republic, but I want to be the best version of myself in Punta Cana, so we're gonna go through a few little steps to make me feel better. Whatever your spring break plans are, just know that it's gonna be amazing. And as long as you're getting a break from school or work, we can't ask for that much more, right? The first step of this is going to be getting my nails done. I haven't had my nails done in a while. I was painting them myself with regular polish for a while, but I really just want to not have to worry about my crusty nails. We're gonna go get a cute little manicure and be spring break ready. Let's go.
Yes. Chair polish.
Yes, please. Here is the after of my nails. I'm really happy with the color, but I went to a different place. And I feel like every time I get my nails done in a video, I say this. The quality of nail salons and getting your nails done has gone down so much. Y'all tell me why for just a simple gel manicure, it was $50. I remember when I was growing up and my mom let me get acrylics when I was like 13 because I did so many chores. It was $25 for a full set of acrylics. $50 for gel polish. I just need to stop getting my nails done. Here's my pretty spring break nails, very blue. I've been feeling blue recently. I think the color's given Punta Cana vibes. I hope, because this was 50 bucks. I am now in Publix because I have to pick up a prescription, but they still need a few more minutes. Every Wednesday, Publix does $5 sushi, and today's Wednesday, and since I'm leaving soon, I have no groceries. I've been scraping the last bits of everything in my fridge, so let's go see the $5 sushi. I love carrot sticks with any hummus, and I have a hummus that I want to eat up, so I'm gonna try and eat this entire bag of carrots in less than 24 hours, I think. Prescription filled. These are gonna be sleeping pills. This will now be my third sleeping pill that I've tried because your girl has severe insomnia. I also grabbed some lemon juice because I put this in my water every single day. I like specifically love lemon water throughout the day. So like, don't get me wrong, love me some plain water, but lemon water, it's my thing. And then obviously my carrots and my sushis. I ordered a few pieces for Punta Cana that I want to show you guys. These were just super cute and they're all affordable off of Amazon. This is not sponsored, but I just figured I would show you guys if you want to get some fun summer or spring break dresses. They're linked on my storefront. I will start off with the one I think I'm most excited for. Look how cute she is. You guys are gonna have to wait to see all the photos on my Instagram, but this is a blue, green, and white like maxi dress. It fits tighter, but I wouldn't say it's like bodycon. It's just beautiful. I know it looks really skinny right now, but obviously it stretches out and it touches my ankles. And as a 5'8" girl, that's great. But what I love the most is the back. You can tell a little bit, but it just ties in the back. It's beautiful. Imagine these colors on a nice tan skin. Mwah! I think it's gonna be so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this. I feel like I might wear this the first night just because I'm so excited about it. The second dress that I got is very colorful. It has my two favorite colors, pink and orange. This is again a maxi dress. This one is more of like a fancy kind of vibe. It almost feels like satiny. It has this mesh material, but then there is the actual fabric of the dress underneath, so it's not see-through. Starts off a little more solid and then gets more flowers down at the bottom. It has a cowl neck, which I think is a really pretty and flattering neckline, so it kind of droops down just a little bit. This gives me very fancy beachy vibes, and I got all these in a size medium, by the way. The last dress that I got is also another blue one. I told you I was feeling the blue, but I have had my eye on this dress in my Amazon cart for months. I almost ordered it last summer, but I was like, I don't need it. So this gave me an excuse to do so. It just reminds me of like a Free People dress without breaking the bank. You can wear it strapless or this can tie around your neck. This is like a loose flowy sundress. It has this part around your boobies and then it flares out and gets so flowy towards the end. At the end, it turns into this pretty frilly skirt material. Obviously it's really wrinkled. I need to steam it or iron, do something to it to make it not so wrinkled. What I loved about this dress again was the back. I've just been so into like open back recently. This is so beautiful. It just has these three little strings right here. It's really hard to show you what I'm talking about because there's a lot of strings going on, but this is very, very pretty dress. They had so many good colors. I wanted light, pretty, springy colors. So those three dresses will be linked on my Amazon. I think they're beautiful and I cannot wait to take pretty beachy photos in the Dominican. I also got a few bikinis that I figured I'd share as well. This is another one that I ordered off Amazon. This is actually a one piece, and I have this one piece, this exact same one, in an orange color that I got last summer, and I wore it when I was in Hawaii when I swam with sharks. And I just love the fit of this bathing suit. It's definitely cheeky, and I like how much skin shows. It's like a sexy one piece, which I don't know, I like. If you're into that, you'll like this. The material's great. It has removable pads in so many colors. Again, with the blue color, I don't know, man. And then my fave Kulani Kinis sent me 2 bikinis, and they are so beautiful. I have loved Kulani with my whole heart for ages. I have featured them in all my bikini hauls because they just are the best quality. Again, not sponsored, but they launched a new collection, and look how pretty this pattern is. It is this orange and purple print, and it has palm trees and flowers and leaves. I already tried on the top and bottoms of this one, and I am obsessed. I love the side is like double banded, and here's the back. It's cheeky, but I wouldn't say it's like crazy cheeky. I could wear this around my parents and feel comfortable. You might not be able to. And then they sent this one, which I haven't tried on, but it's just as beautiful. It's this pink and green print, and this is strapless. It's kind of hard for me to wear strapless just because of the big boobies. I've never owned this style of Kulani, but I will be bringing it and I will be wearing it because it's adorable. And here are the bottoms. They're tie bottoms. What I love most about this one is it has little seashell decals that hang off of it. That is the cutest thing you've ever seen. And I will say this one's cheeky. Do not wear this around your grandparents. I'm gonna be the best dressed one there. I'm so excited. Crazy looking Katie is now reporting. I don't know what the freak is going on with my hair. My next part of my glow up is going to be shaving my face. If you don't know, I started doing this a couple months ago, and I really just think it makes my makeup apply on so much smoother. I just get these facial razors. You can buy them at Walmart, CVS, Target. Please don't take a regular razor and start shaving your face, and be very careful because this is sharp. I just go like this and get all of the little baby peach fuzz off of my face. Now, I'd say once a month, I just use this little guy and shave my face. I think it's called dermaplaning. When you shave your face, you can go get it done. I think that's what most people do. So I mostly just do around this area, and then I get in between my eyebrows, but you have to be very careful not to get your actual eyebrow. I just have a few blonde hairs that like grow in between here. All right, here's a close-up of my face. Y'all, this is the best my skin has looked in a really long time. I have some scarring left over, but besides that, my skin has been doing really good. What is going on with his hair? Like, seriously. Ew, I look like Pippi Longstocking. The last at-home beauty treatment that we're gonna do is tint my eyelashes. I've also been doing this for the past few months. I haven't done it, I will say, in a while, but I bought this eyelash tint kit off of Amazon. I will have it linked to my storefront. Again, since my eyelashes are so blonde, they don't show up, and something that just makes me more confident is tinting them darker. Everybody wants to be blonde until you can't see your eyelashes or your eyebrows. 1 squirt of the developer and 1 squirt of the tint. And you take this and you just mix it all together. And now very carefully, you apply this to your eyelashes. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Low-key, the dye was burning my eyes this time for the first time ever. I'm taking it off pretty early. I don't know if it will be as dark as they usually are. You probably can't tell the difference right now. Let me zoom you guys in. Here's what it looks like immediately after. I don't know, I didn't do a great job this time, I'm not gonna lie. All right, y'all, it's the next day. I just got out of the gym and I'm going to take an everything shower, but I have to show you all the products that I'm gonna be using. Part of the glow up is just feeling like the best version of yourself, and there's nothing better than when my legs are smooth and my hair is clean. So let me show you all the things I'm gonna be using. First, my shaving products. I got sent this Sol de Janeiro scrub and PR, and y'all, this is easily like the best thing I've ever smelled in my life. If you're a beachy girl and you love coconuts and sunscreen and sand and ocean and salty, this is just everything and more. When I didn't have this, I've just always used the Tree Hut scrubs, which are probably more affordable. To shave, I use one of 2 razors. This is Chic Hydro Silk razor, and it's men's. This one I like because it has removable blades, so it's not like wasteful. I have these for travel because they have cover and you can just toss it when you're done. Question of the day, does anybody know when to like replace your razor head? Obviously when it gets dull, but I can never tell when it gets dull. I just replace it when I feel like I should. Next, we have body wash and face wash. I have just been using this Equate shea butter. This I just got from Walmart and it's a big one, and I go through so much body wash, so I don't really care. I don't really care about the brand or anything. I've tried lots of them. They're all really good. I just like it to smell yummy. And again, this is like a coconut scent. I'm such a coconut girly. In my face wash, I use La Roche-Posay. This is my favorite skincare brand, and like I said, I feel like my skin has looked pretty good recently, and I do credit it all to La Roche-Posay. This is their purifying foaming facial cleanser. I've used all of their cleansers and they're all good. Last but not least, we have shampoo and conditioner. I was also sent this Vegamore shampoo and conditioner in PR, and I've been using it. I think it's really cool because it locks itself so you can travel with it really easily. I haven't really noticed a big difference on anything it's been doing for my hair. I don't know if I love it yet, but this is what I've been using. My favorite hair care brand is Kerastase. They just make the best hair care products. Everything I use by them makes my hair silky smooth, and I just love it. So this is a really good shampoo by them. I have this hair mask that I've used a few different times, and I just want to add that I use this scalp brush every time I wash my hair, and it just feels so good. Time to take an everything shower. I just figured I'd share what I'd be using to glow up and feel clean, because your girl needs to wash this hair. We are done with the glow up. I'm clean, I'm showered, I'm in my fresh sheets, and I'm going to end my night by reading my new book. I picked this one up in my bookshop with me, one of my most recent videos where I went to Barnes & Noble, and so many of y'all loved that book, so I will definitely be doing more reading content. Reminder that glowing up is not always about the outer appearance, but also in your heart, in your soul. You can't be beautiful on the outside if you're not beautiful on the inside, so don't forget that. I was gonna show you guys me packing, but I had one too many mental breakdowns about it. My suitcase has to be less than 40 pounds and I still haven't weighed it, and I'm like leaving to drive tomorrow at like 5 o'clock in the morning, so it's just gonna be a lot, but it's okay. So I'm just excited to relax. I'm not gonna be vlogging because I really do want to prioritize vacation. I feel like I've been very go 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 and my brain has been in a million places at once. I'll obviously be posting on TikTok and Instagram, but there's not gonna be a YouTube vlog because I want to live in the moment and enjoy it with the people around me, experiencing a new country. I hope you love this video. If you did, follow all my socials. They're all just Caiti_Mackenzie, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I'll see you back here with another video soon. Bye guys.